Ajum, how much they are charging right now for the domain and email accounts?
€70 a month or something like that.
So this has 5,000 emails, and this one is not in Smartlead.
I have 6,500 connections, French, Dutch, German, English, which were imported into smartlead. How do you see that? What do you think we need to improve on?
So the deliverability, making sure you are landing in primary inbox is the first thing. How long have you been working in this field, like email marketing and stuff?
I
Great.
am from 2020, and in email marketing from 2025. Sorry, 2015.
I've been working on 2018 as well.
Okay, I leave it now over to Sharif, for example, to look into it and to maybe make it better, whatever.
I'm sure he will.
So, can you explain what we did already? Yeah, email accounts. Yeah.
Okay, email accounts were connected, but SMTP failure, that is the possibility that you remember we canceled the payments for MailForge, so they won't be connected anymore. You will have
Yeah,
to
okay.
check your MailForge and see what we can do about that. Probably do the repayment and create the accounts once again, I believe. So that needs to be reconnected again. And
So
in
it
terms
means, okay, I post MailForge as well, so I need to relaunch that as well then.
yeah,
So
few
we
things.
had different campaigns. We had LinkedIn Scraper in Dutch, in French. Yeah. Then we had our connections, meaning we have LinkedIn connections.
So how many domains and email accounts are there right now?
Okay, so basically, I believe we had 5 domains earlier
Mm-hmm.
and 20 mailboxes.
Okay, and domain and email box provider.
They were from MailForge.
Okay,
You know the MailForge, Sharif?
uh, not really. I haven't used Mailforce before.
Yeah. Because we were looking for a cheaper alternative, if you have, because it's costing as well a lot of money on a monthly basis.
Um, Ajum, how much they are charging right now for the domain and email accounts?
I think it was around €70 a month or something like that.
Basically, $33 per mailbox and around $14 for a domain.
How was the performance? Their mailbox?
Performance was pretty great, I would say, at the start,
Mm-hmm.
but lately, yeah, we've been facing issues. Yeah, I had kind of a problem with their server and stuff like that.
Okay.
But otherwise, they are pretty good with Smartly. The integration is really good and the deliverability is top notch with the Smartly, basically. So that's why we just use both.
Okay, and so
Okay, so
do you
mhm.
have that like a full control over there? That means DNS and everything. You can control that, and they provide you with the admin access, the mailboxes admin access, or uh, you need to contact them for any kind of adjustment there.
It's just their own platform. You just log in there and you can see all the mailboxes and domains over there. And if you just want to know, if you want to change anything there, they give you the options to change DNS settings.
Okay, got it. I know this type of things. Not only Mailforce, whether it's Mailforce or whether it's Premium Inbox, whether it's any other provider, a lot of provider there. So basically, direct. This is the issue with them that we don't have any control over there. That means whenever any email boxes got disconnected or any other issue or any domain issue or any DNS we need to adjust, we don't have any control. That means we need to contact them that hey, this is the problem, can you fix that? So they will reply back with if they can fix or not. We don't have any control over there. It's basically same for all the provider whoever provide this type of service. If you try to fix any of the inboxes here, they will say smartlead or any other provider, they will say that there will be a verification code or something like this in that particular mailboxes.
Yeah, the only thing is there is no workspace like Google Workspace or Outlook administration.
Any of the mailboxes you get a response from a person, so you will have to reply back within smartlead, or you can also log into that particular inboxes and can check that easily.
This forwarding thing is basically for a person's easy access. So if Derek wants to have that, he can have that. Otherwise, there's no problem with just, going to Smartlead and replying back. So this basically becomes on your own ease. How would you like to do it?
The addresses, the email addresses are maybe still valid or not valid. So that's maybe something you need to find out, Sheriff. But it's mainly focused on France and on Switzerland. So this is quite interesting for me as well. Yeah. Then you have LinkedIn connections. These are all my connections. I have 6,500 connections, French, Dutch, German, English, which were imported into Smartlead. I have now more connections. I think I have now, I believe, 1,000 more connections since the period we launched. We have targeted mailboxes for Luxembourg, Switzerland, Sweden, Spain, Italy, etc. If you go down, is this clear for you, Sheriff?
Yeah, it's clear for me.
So what's your evaluation of User about the results? Is this normal or is this not normal? How do you see that, User? What do you think we need to improve on?
Sharif, how long have you been working in this field, like email marketing and stuff?
From 2020. Cold email
Oh, that's
marketing, I
great.
am from 2020, and in email marketing from 2025. 2015.
Oh, that's great. I've been working on 2018 as well. So, what would you say having 3 or 4 links within one message on the first message?
If you manage these campaigns, then you will have to the final say should be yours, because you know this stuff. You are working, definitely working for direct or any other clients, whoever is this. They don't know exactly what to do. They can give you the direction, but the final call should be yours, because you are doing this, you know this better than them. That's why they are hiring you.
Okay, I leave it now over to Sheriff, for example, to look into it and to maybe make it better, whatever.
I'm sure he will. So, these are the things that were causing us sending emails and not having any replies.
Thank you both for participating. Thank you, Izer, for your support and for doing the handover. I appreciate it. So I wish you good luck, and maybe we speak each other later. All the best for you, and yeah, good luck with your business.